And Riri is now our server. We are knotted at 2. And look at this. They had 2 in the first set. Set up by Cayuna. It is blocked but kept alive by Sabete. Into the deep ends.
Mero up front, the shorter blockers. So even if you get checked the first time, you can try again on the second to get it out of bounds.
Let's see if she makes that adjustment. It's now hit long. This is whipped in. And Farm Fresh getting away with everything they want to do so far. Ito, isa pang player. Pag nanggigigil, mas lalong gumagaling.
We're just finding all the right spots on the floor of the Camillo.
She will continue to do that. Here's her southpaw serve. That is just before the line. Ang kapunan ng next leg, iniwanan sila. 7 straight points. Finally, they end that long drought.
That's what I like about Janelle Cheng as a setter. Even if they didn't get the point, they have an easier chance to defend that ball. Pag alam nila na, okay, it's either sa left or sa right lang naman pupunta eh.
Wala naman tayong pupunta sa gitna.
They're getting a lot of block touches against the Chameleons.
Here's Cheng sliding nicely. Managed to create that opportunity for Fernandez well. Alam mo si Fernandez, gusto ko siya coming off the bench. Laki niyang mag-provide ng impact.
She can be the spark plug.
13-6. Ganda ng set. Lutong. Ang lutong.
Patricia Tubu is even attacking from the back row.
Gel serve. Stretch 4 by Tubino. The cut shot. Bandy the back row attack. Rolled on the floor. The whip. And it's returned to Sunder.
Through for Patricia Tubu. These are the 2 best blockers on the side of set placement for Trisha.
14-8 count here. Farm Fresh with a 6-point lead. That is blocked away. And Molina slamming it into that wall they tried to.
Rookies, sa mga veterans, sometimes less is more.
And you know, it's not all power. It's okay to turn it on when you have to. In the meantime, placement yun.
Ang bilis nung recovery ng Farm Fresh because they know na pag gumana na itong medals consistently from the Chameleons, they will... Nandun naman yung EP natin.
Bahala sila doon. Save nyo, ha? In the meantime, heaved high to keep it very much in play. Here's the fake, the block, and it is way out of reach.
Solid wall.
18-10 count. Big swing by Tubino. Handled well by Nexlid. Reached in. Runner. Into the corner.
From high school pa sila magkasama rin eh. Then Adamson and now in Farm Fresh.
Blocked. Airtight. Solid.
The best feeling in the world.
20-10 tally. First set going the way of Farm Fresh 25-23. But this one is in the deep corner. Abby Maranya trying to perk up her team.
Meron din siyang sariling version of a slide attack. That's also one of her signature.
Patented yan eh. Fielded. And this one crawls over the net.
May halong swerte pa.
Pinakita ko sa kanya sa picture namin dala. Sir, tago mo yan. Huwag mo ilalabas. Farm Fresh scoring again.
On the floor, they're very good defensively, specifically in the digging department. But right now, something's really not clicking. Even the reception has been faulty, and
that's why they're digging into their bench. It's 24 set point 22 or 12. Sorry, my mistake. Into the back row. Dorendes made it a set. Cayuna. And Nexlid stays alive here. 0.2 at a time ito. Kaya na ba tapusin ng Farm Fresh ngayon ito? Tapos. Ganun kasimple. Katapos ng 25-23 na first set.